down, and out. So you need front struts, eh? Well, let's do it. So let's start with the most confusing part first, how to get access to our upper strut bolts. Got to pull off this whole upper cowl to make that possible. Our wiper blades are a 14 millimeter. Give them a good wiggle, they should pop off. Next, this plastic piece pops off. We have a clip here on the side. You just push that center in. Let me show you. It's just this little clip here. We want to push that in and then it unlocks. We have one on this side too. It should pop up. There's little clips on the front. You may have to just push in to release. All right. And then you slide it out from the window. Now we have access to our 3 upper strut bolts. Let's hop down below and get to work. The most challenging part down here is the sway bar link. Because the link is attached to our strut tower, we want to make sure both sides are jacked up at the same time. Put a little lubricant right here if you want. With a pair of channel locks or vice grips, there's a little stud back here that we'll clamp onto. Then with our 17 mil, we'll try to buzz it off. If it slips off, that's fine, just re-grip. Try a pair of vice grips back there. Well, this one's putting up a bigger fight than usual. If that happens to you, we'll just go ahead, unbolt the bottom. We'll take the sway bar link out with the strut and then put in a whole new sway bar link. 17 mil for that bottom bolt. Let's just hope this one comes off. We'll do the same thing, put a pair of vice grips behind here to lock it. So this nut's seized on there pretty good too. I'm trying to see if I can get my impact in there. All right, got it. Now let's see if we can buzz it off. Okay. So my impact barely fit in there, but enough. All right, we'll get another one of these coming. Let's continue. Once your sway bar link comes off super easy, we have a 10 mil back here for our ABS wiring, and then a 12 mil right here. Just move all this out of the way. And then this little plastic bracket, we just pop off like that, so it's all dangling. Then we have two 22 millimeters. We'll push those through. All right, and we're free down here. Let's go up top. From our top, we have our 3 14 millimeter nuts. We'll get the 2 far ones first and leave this closer one to the fender last. Now we can hold on to our strut spring from down below with one hand and get this last one here. All right, now we'll just gently lower it. Down and out. We want to take our new strut, line it up with our old strut, and make sure everything's the same. Then we'll feed it through. Come up above and put a nut on. Whew. Once you have at least one secure up top, we'll put this back on. Here we go. Snug them down. Now these are 213 foot-pounds. Put our new sway bar link in. And these are 40 foot-pounds. Our ABS wiring, and then our brake hose on top of that one. That's our 12 mil bolt. Put a little plastic bracket back in. Should just clip into place. And then our 10 mil up here. All right, we are done down below. We'll go ahead and put the tire on, lower it, squish our suspension, and we'll torque the top bolts. Our top strut bolts are 40 foot-pounds. Then we can put on our plastic cowl. And then lock all our clips in the front. Then we have our side clips. And then our little top window trim. Put that in. Now our wipers. Put them right about where they go. Tighten it down. All right, that's the repair. If you need to do rear struts too, click on this video. That one.